and also the peoples are not protected. There is no law and order, and people are suffering a lot since 3rd of May 2023. Yes, in fact, it's the ideology that we have of our Congress party. Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, and Jai Sangvidan. This is the ideology that we have for our party. And also regarding this, in connection with this, I am representing from Manipur PCC, and in Manipur, it is very much related with this rally, because there is no more these constitutional protections over there to the entire people of Manipur. I am also very interested to join this Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai constitutions. So there is also, it will give a lot of impact to the people of India, and particularly the people of Manipur. There in Manipur, particularly I want to speak on Manipur, because the violence is still continue and there is no peace at all. And also, not only the violence that we have, there is instability of political, that is there. So even the BJP also divided house, and also the peoples are not protected. There is no law and order, and people are suffering a lot since 3rd of May 2023, and still continue to suffer. People are very painful, and even the MLAs, the legislators of opposition and the ruling also are not protected. So at any time it may happen anything like. So there is no the enforcement of the provisions of the constitutions is totally collapsed over there. This is reality of the BJP that comes out everywhere.